Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will learn how to crochet nose. Now we learn how to crochet nose.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now just skip 7 stitches in the round. Okay, in the circle, skip 7 stitches, and for rest of the stitches we will make a black bottom. So insert your needle in any of the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, and make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, but skip 7 stitches. Don't do anything in that. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. This nose pattern you can use in any applique. This is how crochet nose look like, and as you have seen, whole video was with detailed explanation, so I hope so you liked it. This is how we assemble all parts of our Santa Claus applique. Crochet tutorial for nose. Okay. If you want to see crochet tutorial for complete applique, there are 3 parts. In description you will find links for all those 3 parts, and you can refer them. And if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. And as you can see, all my videos are quite detailed. Each and every instruction is clearly given. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new ideas, and plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And just look how pretty it is. Thanks for watching my video till end. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.